Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change Google account name. First of all, you can open the Google. I can already open the app. After opening the Google, you can just simply go to the profile picture at the top right corner of the screen, tap on it. And here you can just simply tap on manage your Google account, and after this you can just simply go to the second option, that is personal info, and here you can just simply scroll down, and in the basic info section you will find the option name. Tap on name, and after a few seconds of loading you can see you can just simply now tap on the name again, and here after a few seconds of loading you can just simply remove the first name or last name, or you can enter a new name, and after this you can now tap on save. And this is the way you can change Google account name if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.